Hi, this video is a step-by-step guide on how to install the BlueJ sound set into your DM10 module. Be aware that this sound set is not in addition to the factory sound set, but used instead of the factory sound set. But remember that you can go back and forth between the BlueJ sound set and the factory sound set by following the steps outlined in the two videos contained in this guide. To install the BlueJ sound set, first visit www.alesis.com/DM10. Go to the Downloads and Documents section to find the DM10 App Update download. Click on the download. Save the file to your computer. Once you download the file to your computer, find it on your computer. Once you find the zip file, click and drag it onto your desktop. The next step is purchasing and downloading the BlueJ sound set. You can find this by going to www.alesis.com and just typing BlueJ into the search bar. The BlueJ Studios drum sound library will come up. You can purchase this sound set from this page. Once you download the sound set, find it on your computer and click and drag it onto your desktop as well. Now you'll have two zip files located on your desktop. They need to be unzipped, so right-click it and choose Extract Here for both of the files. This will create two unzipped files and folders on your desktop. Before opening the Updater program, be sure that the DM10 module is connected to a power supply, as well as connected to a rear USB port on your computer with a USB cable. Hold the record button down on the module and power it on. The screen on the DM10 module will say load the SYX file into the Updater program to install. And now we need to find and open the Updater program. We will not need the other files in this download in order to install the BlueJ sound set, just the Updater program. Open the Updater folder, run the Updater program, and in the toolbar at the top of the Updater, choose the MIDI interface option and then choose USB DM10 MIDI interface. Finally, choose File, Open, find your desktop, and choose the unzipped BlueJ SYX Updater file. Once you find it, click Open. The Updater program will show a progress bar. The DM10 module will also show a progress bar. Once it completes, the DM10 module will prompt you to reboot. You have now installed the BlueJ sound set onto your DM10 module. If you have any questions or need any help, contact Alesis Tech Support during business hours, Monday to Friday, between 8:30 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or via email at www.alesis.com/support.